back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope everyone's doing well. Well, just want to introduce you to my channel, both new and returning subscribers. My name is Christina Michelle, and here on my channel, we do all things budgeting, cash stuffing, sinking funds, low sinking funds, high sinking funds, and challenges. I just enjoy my challenges. I think my nickname should be the Challenge Queen because I enjoy doing challenges probably too much. So tonight we're going to be doing challenges so that I can help rebuild my sinking funds because I don't know if you checked out my last video, but I did have to pull some of those funds from my low priority binder. So tonight I definitely will be working on some challenges, and I came up with a plan of how to execute it in a way that's most effective for me. I will be using my binders to actually, like, the envelopes, every challenge will go to one envelope, so that way I can just take that money out and put it right into the sinking funds categories. Okay, so tonight, like, let me get into this, the money, right? Okay, so how much are we putting into it? Oh, do I like my calculator? I know, I'm a little extra. Now, I normally would pull out my cash envelopes in my wallet, excuse me, but my husband has been so generous and allowing me to kind of like save up my funds so I can feel comfortable again, because I did do a lot of pooling, and so he's been taking care of that, which is a blessing. So tonight I definitely will be just focusing on just the saving challenges, okay? And eventually I'll get back to doing my cash envelopes and kind of feeling comfortable with doing all of those things, but we're just going to allocate those funds towards just that he gets towards the everyday spending, which isn't a lot. We really don't spend out a lot of, cash anyway. Everything normally is automatic with the bills, but I like to stuff my cash envelope binder as well as my bill binder to replenish those funds that we spend out of our account. So let's jump into the cash. Okay. Oh yeah, this is new too, and I'm loving it. I love things to look coordinated and organized. Oh, where am I putting this? Okay, right here. Okay, so here's the cash from minus this really cool 20 that I'm not gonna spend. I'm not gonna like stuff anywhere that I know I could pull it, because I won't pay attention. So I'm definitely gonna keep that here because it's really cool. This is 505s, so I'm just gonna leave it there. And this is what I had left over for the bazaar. I did take 120 of this out to give out to one of my favorite family members for her birthday, and so so this is what's left over. So unexpected, not expense, but it needed to happen. 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So this is $65 that we're going to start out with, and then move into that lump of fives there. So I might only spend 200 of that, of the 500 stack of fives tonight, because I don't see me, and these ones are just for backup, for breaking up if I need to break up something, I don't know, just in case. So that's what the ones are, and it's just $50 on ones. Okay, let's get started with the challenges. I have an itchy throat, and I think I'm just going down, I don't know, coming down with something maybe. I don't want to claim it, but it's there. Something's there. And I just I don't understand. But it seemed like it's like always something, right? Because everybody's like getting sick. And I've been trying to avoid getting sick by pushing, and I don't know, it's catching up with me. So we're going to go ahead and do this one here. It's only $4. And these smaller A7 challenges are going to the girls' sinking funds, their binders, because I haven't been able to, it's only $5 in there. I haven't been able to stuff their binders yet, so I feel bummed out about that. I've been feeling pink, so I've been feeling these pink ones. I haven't been able to stuff it, and it really bothers me. I did write down what I'm doing because I'm trying to get in the habit of doing that. I don't typically like to write things out, especially when I'm like, I know that sounds bad, but I don't like doing it. I'm just going to round up to one. Round one up, so to 5, so here's 10. I just don't. It's just, I feel like it's boring. I know that sounds bad, but I just I'm trying to be that person. So I've been trying to plan out things and write things down because, yeah, you know, I want to be that person. I want to be organized in that way. It helps you prioritize your thoughts and everything that you're trying to do. So, yeah, I'm doing at least one in each binder, and that's how I feel like I'll at least can make it through all these challenges because I have a lot of challenges, like maybe more than normal. This does say summer saving challenge, but I'm just using it for the girls binder. I'm not gonna use it for the summer. And the good thing about these, you download them, and I got all of these small saving challenges, A7 saving challenges from Little Helpful Files. She's awesome. So I'm going to do the same amount. Actually, I'll make this $5. So each one will be $5. I don't know how many they are, so I'm just going to count them later. All right, $5 go in here. And they're so cute because they just are adorable. I was like, I have to have them. I want everything to be little and cute to match them. Oh, I was supposed to do purple. Okay, whatever. Snooze, you lose. I'll do purple next time. Well, how are you all doing? Y'all, I'm so excited. I got 61 subscribers now. Don't leave my channel me saying that. Proving me wrong, okay? But I have 61 subscribers as of today, and I'm just excited about it. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I hope that you're entertained. This is $2 here, so I made this a small amount. I'm probably gonna go up. I'm gonna do 5 instead of 2 because they're going to the girls' binders. I'm gonna go up a little bit. So I'm doing $5 instead of 2. Yeah, I'm excited. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so happy to see like my numbers going up. And I think it's Alicia Saves. Alicia Saves. She is amazing because she kind of like did a like announcement and all that good stuff. Also, Sam's Corner. If I'm saying her name wrong, I'll put it in the comments. Not comments. Where is it? The description section with her right name, because I honestly, I'm horrible. I'm notorious for getting names wrong. Okay, so let's move forward. This, I put an H here for high priority, because each envelope in here, like I said before, will represent an envelope in my high priority binder. Okay, so let's go ahead and do 10. Let's do purple. And I'm just doing one. Slow and steady wins the race. Why is this closed? I know why, because the binders were behind it. So let's see what's in here. 20, 30, 45. That's growing. So this is going to be for high priority. I think the first one in the high priority is emergencies. That's what I think it is. So that's going to go towards emergencies. So the next one, L for low. I don't want to keep you all too long. I think last time I spoke with you all about a certain person in my family not feeling well. 5, 6. I think I'm gonna do 2 5s and then put 10 in. Well, that person passed away. And I'm heartbroken. So much so that I don't even really want to talk about it. And yeah, I'm like in shock. So what I did was go to the home of that person and to be with their children and, you know, give them comfort as well as help them out with some things. And that was a blessing. So we're going to do simple shops. We're really smashing this one out. Okay, so right now we have 20, 25, 30 in here. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, so what I would like to do, I would like to do another 10. I gotta figure out which pen I'm using. I do have a really cute pen that I wanted to use tonight. But it don't really go in my aesthetics, so I don't know. 10, 20, 30, 5, 40. Do anyone else have this issue with this binder? That it just won't open? I hope I'm not the only one. I feel like I'm struggling with this binder. Like, it's so cute though, but it's just feel like a struggle. All right, I'm gonna do Christmas. The Christmas one. I should start Thanksgiving one on me, right? I think I am gonna start Thanksgiving one, to be quite honest. Let me do that. Sorry if I make a lot of noises. I'm thinking, because honestly, when I'm doing these things, like doing these challenges, I map it out, but still, in the end, it never really, like, tends to be that easy. I don't know why. I don't know, because I'm trying to get it done, and I don't want to be sitting here coloring all night long. I mean, I don't know, you might want to see me do that, but it's hard to please everyone, including myself. Okay, so that's only 5, so that's 15, y'all. 15 in there. I hope everyone's feeling well and that you're staying up on your fluids and antibiotics or whatever. I hope you're not on antibiotics, but probiotics. There you go. Because I don't know. The viruses and the sicknesses this year is gotten really vicious. Really vicious. I'm gonna just go ahead and take this off. And people are really sick. It's not even like, I don't know, it's just really bad. What if I come across a star note? I don't know. We'll see. Okay. We're going to do 10. And I'm just going to check it off for Thanksgiving. I probably need to really beat this up because Thanksgiving is like right around the corner. I don't know if I even should do this one. And every little helps and counts. I shouldn't say that, right? Soon I will do the self-care one and then the bingo one. But I want to focus on all these holidays that are coming up. And that's what these funds will go towards, the holidays. Okay. Last but not least, I think I'm going to go ahead and do the girls' binders. I did add to them. I should pull out. Oh, it's the cutest thing. Oh my goodness, so adorable. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Like I said, ever since I started, collecting Erica's over at Black and Blue, her like pins, I've been like becoming this pin person that really likes pins and binders and all these other budgeting tools. Okay, we're going to start with Kinsey, and I'm trying to think and debate whether or not I should just go towards the Sweet Savings first. Okay. Make some room. Make some room. Okay, let's do this. We're going to go ahead and do a few of these because, as you can see, it's kind of getting behind. Oh, I love these markers. They're like the best markers ever. They're not the best, but it's easy to color with them. Okay, so we're going to do another 5. I'll try not to leave me. Perfect. So I would like to do a giveaway soon. I'm going to color all of these real quick so I can just add the money in. Yeah, I would like to do a giveaway. If I can get to 100 subscribers, I think I should do a giveaway. I don't know. What do you think? Yeah. Let me know in the comments below. Y'all are so interactive. I'm so happy. You don't understand how therapeutic it is to like talk to you all and see that notification where you have like responded or encouraged me. It's just such a blessing and so rewarding in itself. Like, you don't have to do it, but you took time out of your busy like life and schedule to communicate with me. It's rewarding within itself. It is definitely rewarding. I don't know why this one wasn't colored. I don't know. I just want to complete it. Okay. Oh, it's wrong side. I think I did all of them. Perfect. So each one gets $10. am breathing hard is because I am tired too. Again, but you all know I am tired because this is late night stuffings, okay? 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. $28 in here. It's like, will I ever get done with this challenge? It's $28 in here. It's going to be $28 in all of them. Okay, so we all know that, right? So there's no real need. There's no need to continue to count all of them. So we're just going to put them in. Speed it up. Okay, I have placeholders that are coming. I'll put it in the comments. Not comments, what is it called? Descriptions. I do have placeholders coming for my girls because as you can see, their envelope is starting to get a little thick. And I really don't want, I want to make sure that, okay, that it won't rip or anything like that. So let's do 10. And in the back of each one, I've added savings, a saving challenge to go towards their sinking funds, a 6 saving challenge, because I have a lot of A7, but then there's some A6 that I have that I want to keep for them. That makes sense? Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 116, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 134. That's awesome. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna need a placeholder for that one. And then as you can see here, I'm going to put one in the savings challenge. I never did the tracker on this, so it's just $5. I'm going to add another 5. So we're on 10, 15. Wait a minute. Oh, I'll do it later. Probably not, but you. I still did what I wanted to do, which is not the right thing. So this is my girl golden budget. And so I'm going to go ahead and do $2. And this is going to go towards the I'm pointing to it. They're sinking funds. The other savings are going towards their savings accounts, their high yield savings accounts. So I don't have to, I'm not going to, put them in any binder. They're just going to go right to account. All right. Let me see. What am I going to do? I'm going to do this 9 around up to 10. Okay. Well, I see. I'm going to need to swap these ones out. We're hanging it with me. 2, 4, 6, 5, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 115. So we're getting close. And I'm going to swap out these ones. As you can see, they're really coming on. Okay, so I'm going to do one of these. Five, 10. Oh. And so Golden Girl budgets. We'll just do this $1. Okay. Okay, we're knocking it out of the ballpark. All right. $10. Okay. Yes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 5, 90, 5, 100, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 130. Ooh, 130. We'll do a 20 here. Where is it closed? 5, 10, 15, 20. Sorry, y'all. Okay. All right. Last but not least, I think that is it. And all I'm doing tonight. I do $3. Alrighty. And that's it. Okay, sounds good. So I think that's all we're doing tonight, ladies and gents. Yep. I'm done. Okay, sounds good. So I did the girls' savings. I did Simple Shop. I did all 3 of the little ones, and I did the high and the low mini challenges. And that's it. I'm excited. What I have left over will possibly go back to the bank or my personal bank here, maybe. I'm not sure. And then, yeah, we'll move forward. So I'll thank you for tuning in tonight, and I appreciate your time. And I hope that you enjoyed this video and enjoy me working out my funds, working out, you know, my financial freedom plan. So, I enjoy you, and thank you again for subscribing. Thank you for liking and commenting, and hope to see you soon, and be blessed and stay safe. Until next time, bye.